Welcome again to Budget with Brian. You may remember me reporting a little while ago on one of my purchases from a company called Rutlands, and there's the link above there to that film. Rutlands supply a number of different tools, and on occasions I bought 10 of these. Why did I buy 10 of these? Because I keep losing them, spread them about, and for the right price you can afford to do that. My latest purchase is these airbags. Now, what would we need an airbag for? Well, I'm soon to fit a number of doors, and I promise you, in order to get them lined up properly, you need 10 hands. This bag is available from a number of sources, but Rutlands tempted me on this occasion. And if you haven't seen them before or used them before, don't just dismiss them, because they're quite useful. And they're about £5 each, so not expensive. But I'm going to demonstrate. What I would like you to do is imagine this is the gap at the bottom of the door, and what I need to do is jack it up. So what we do is we put it in there like so, and pump away like so, and before too long you've got, did you see that push out then? And now I can't move it, and you could see that would push that apart, and the door is held at the bottom while I get the gap at the top right, and I can use another one at the side so that I get the gap at the side right. And when I've got all my screws in, etc, etc, all I have to do is push the button, let it down, and I can take it out. The item itself is a very firmly sealed plastic bag with an inflatable bulb on the end. And the bulb has got a quick release valve, and by virtue of the fact that you can pump it up, it micro adjusts very easily to the dimensions that you're looking for. At the moment I don't know what strength or weight they can take, but they're insanely strong, because I witnessed my window installer fitting a fully glazed door on top of one of these things, and it took 2 men to lift it on. So I don't think there's any great problem in what weight it can take. But when you want to let it down, you just push the valve and it lets the air out, and Bob's your uncle. So, very useful for that micro adjustment of gaps. Got to be done. I think that's quite a nice little product from Rutlands. They do lots of things. I bought a new vacuum cleaner from them just recently. They do lots of tools from America. Innovative tools that you might not have seen before. So I think visiting their site is well worth you having a look. So don't forget, we're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can comment below and telling me it's all rubbish that I'm talking. Or alternatively, you can say, I want to see more of these videos. In which case, what you could do is subscribe, and there we are, there's the link below. You subscribe. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian.